Unraveling the story of the lone tree. Hello guys, today I'm going to Lakeside Garden. Come and join me. Okay, I will go down in the Lakeside MRT and I'm going to cross the road towards the Lakeside Garden. There, as you can see, Jurong Lake Garden. I'm going to walk and walk and walk, and today I went alone, and I just want to have a peaceful afternoon. See, as you can see, the place is very nice, and here all the way to the end, and you can reach here this part of the garden, and I'm going to find out and take a look, and I will show you the lone tree. Yeah, going inside on that little path, and there it is. I found the lone tree, and according to what I researched, the lone tree is not a real tree. It's actually a sculpture, and on a closer inspection it becomes clear to me that the barren-looking tree is actually really a sculpture. It's made from twisted bars of metal that have been fashioned to look like a tree, and the iconic lone tree
Beautiful
has
and
become
perfect.
one of the most photographed spots for photo shoots and videos for weddings and many more occasions in Singapore. For me, standing alone means you believe in your own strength and you believe in yourself. That's all into this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.